In this video, I will show you now how to free up space in your devices using Google Photo app right here without any stress. Let me show you how. Very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up Google Photo app on your phone, whether you are using Android phone or you are using iPhone. Having opened up Google Photo app, next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on the profile icon from the top. Go ahead and click on the profile icon. And the next thing you want to do is to simply scroll down right here and go ahead and click on free up space on this device. So go ahead and click on that. So here we go. Free up space on this device. These items are already safely backed up in your choosing quality. You can still view them at any time in Google Photos. So go ahead and click on free up right here. So about 15.33 gig is going to be free up from my phone right here. So go ahead and click on free up space. Additional permission required. For large number of photos and video, you will be given photo permission to delete photo multiple times. Go ahead and click on got it right here. Just like so, after it's completely saved, just like what you see right here, after a successfully completion of free up space through the Google Photo, you can see I was able to save 15.33 gig in my Google Photo storage right there. Now you can have more space for photos and video on your device. Go ahead and click on done right here. It's that simple. So if you check on your Google Photo, you find out that nothing was lost in the process, as the case may be. For all because all the photos and video have been already backed up to your Google Photo. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks like this, consider subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.